Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to remove the front headlights from a BMW X6 from the year 2009 and up. As you can see, this car needs a restoration for the headlights and I'm going to polish them later, but before I'm going to do that I will show you guys how to remove the headlight. On this car the headlight can only be removed from behind, so you'll have to remove the wheels and the dust protection from the wheels to remove them. You don't have to remove the bumper on this car. So like I said earlier, on this car, if you remove the bumper, the front bumper, you will still not be able to remove the headlights, because the headlights on this car are not going to come up into the front of the vehicle. So they will only come out from behind, from behind the fenders and from the place on which the front wheels are installed. So as you all can see, what we'll have to do is to remove the front wheel, and after that we'll have to remove all the screws which are holding the first part of the protection, which are holding this part of the protection from the front of the vehicle, and only after that you'll be able to see the screws and all the clips which you'll have to remove in order to remove the headlights. You'll have to remove this side plastic, this cover which I'm showing you right now. You'll have to remove all of these clips, and remember, the clips which is holding this plastic can only be used once. So if you remove them, you won't be able to reuse them anymore. So you'll have to install new ones or a different kind of plastic clips. From here, just follow what I'm doing. I already lifted the car up, and now I'm going to remove the front wheel. After you remove the front wheel, you'll have to remove the clips which are holding the side plastic mounted onto the vehicle. So in order to do so, I'm going to use my pry bar, or if you don't have a tool like this, you can also use a flat screwdriver or something to push the middle part of the clips inside, and after that the clips will come out if you pull from them to the exterior. After you're done with removing the clips which are holding the side plastic mounted onto the fender, you'll have another kind of clips inside the plastic, and you'll have to use something sharp because you don't want to scratch the fender. You'll have to put it between the fender and the plastic, and you'll have another kind of clips which you'll have to push down in order to make the side plastic came out from its place. So just follow what I'm doing. This is how it came out, and this is how it's looking. This is the clips which I'm talking about. You'll have to push them down all around in order to make it came out from its place. After that, you can go ahead and remove all the screws which are holding this part of the protection dust, the part from the front of the vehicle. This one, you'll have to remove all the plastic and all the screws and remove it completely, because otherwise you won't be able to remove the headlight. This is how it's looking with the protection dust out from the fender. And from what I can see, the owner did some damage to the car. I think he climbed over something and destroyed some plastics from underneath, but there is nothing I can fix. Okay, so this is how it's looking. This is our headlight, and like I said earlier, you won't be able to remove it from the front of the vehicle. You will only be able to remove it if you do it in this way. So this is the screws. You will have 5 screws which are holding each headlight mounted onto the car. You'll have 3 at the bottom, and after that you'll have 2 at the top, and you'll have to use an 80mm socket and a T13 to remove them. And from this car, on this car, you won't be able to remove the headlight if you don't remove this bracket. You'll have to remove the bracket made from plastic from underneath the headlight, and only after that you'll be able to remove the headlight, because otherwise you won't have enough space, and you can also scratch the lens from the headlight if you are trying to push them and if you are trying to force them came out from its place. After you're done with removing all the screws, you'll have to remove the connector from behind it, and after that you can try to remove it like this, but I don't recommend you, because there is not enough space, and you can destroy the lens very easy. You can scratch the lenses, and you don't want this. So I recommend to take a few more time and remove the part from underneath the headlight, to remove this plastic part and remove it completely, and only after that you'll be able to remove the headlight very easy and without any problems, or without the risk of scratching it. To remove this bracket, you'll have 1 screw in the left side and 1 screw in the right side. The screw from the right side is an 8mm screw, and the one in the left side is an Torx 13. And after that you'll have 2 more screws at the top. You'll have to open the hood, and I will show you later which are the screws which you'll have to remove, and you'll also have to remove them using a Torx 13. This is the 2 screws which you'll have to remove, this one and this one. You'll have to use a Torx 13 and you're good to go. After that, in order to remove this bracket, you'll have to put a lot of force from underneath, and after that you'll be able to release it from the place on which it's installed. Just make sure you don't break the clips, because the part is made from plastic and it's fitted there very hard. I'm going to tell you honestly, the part will came out very hard. In my case, it did came out very hard. I had to put a lot of force. I had to take care to not break anything, but in the end, the part came out. And you'll have to make sure on which side it's installed and how it's installed, because after that, after you're done with removing the headlight and you want to put the new headlight, you'll have to put it back in the same way, and it will be also difficult to put it back. Okay everybody, so after you remove the bracket, the headlight will come out very easy. As you all can see, this is our headlight. In this way you will not scratch it. In this way everything will be good. You will not have any risk. And this is how it's looking without the headlight. This is all the things you'll have to do in order to remove the headlight from this BMW X6. So this is the bracket. As you all can see, all the clips are in their place. I didn't break any clips, I didn't break any corner, for now at least. And this is how it's looking, and this is how it's installed. So in order to remove it, you'll have to push it from underneath. You'll have to push it from the part where the 8mm bolt is installed. So as you can see, in this corner you will have this screw, this metal screw, where the bolt is installed, and this is the part, this is the hard part on which you will have to pull very hard in order to release it from that place. And after that is very easy. As you can see, this is the headlight, this is the one screw, this is the other one, this is the third one from underneath right here in the corner. Okay, this is the fourth. This is 5 from the middle, and that's it. I'm going to do the other side. The other side is exactly the same as this one. Doesn't matter if your car is made in London or not. The method is exactly the same. Everything is exactly the same. This is how to remove the headlight from BMW X6. Doesn't matter which year it is. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.